Welcome once again. Let's talk about Luna Classic LUNC. Now, in the year 2023, we still have over 6 months to go. Now, Luna, there's a possibility for 750%. Even Luna going back to its all-time as of before it started dropping. As of last year, December 2022, this coin was actually trading with 3 zeros. Now, after dropping for the past 7 months, going back to where it was as of December might be hitting over 700% increase in price. Now, there's a probability because of the recent project, burning rate, Binance burning, different exchange burning, lunatic exchange token, you see crimination, even Kucoin. A lot of them have now wake up. Before, they were not really burning much. They're burning as of last 4 months. Luna Classic was not really burning. Then it was just Binance that was burning, massively burning, talking about burning all the time. But now we have many exchanges that are now engaging in the burning of Luna Classic. Many exchanges have now come out to engage. So many exchanges are now really burning Luna Classic coin. And I believe that yes, these exchanges will keep supporting LUNC. 750% even before the end of this year is something. But for me, if you ask me, I would say that imagine investing right now and you are hitting over 200 to 300%. That is good. I'm not saying Luna Classic is going to rise up to 200 or 300 or 750, but based on 2023 prediction, half of the year prediction from crypto experts, you see that a lot of them are actually going towards one way, bullish. Luna Classic rising before the end of the year. And I'm happy to see that yes, these predictions are maybe based on technical or fundamental, whatever they use to predict. Luna right now, with what it's at hand, they are really doing great. So I believe 2023 before the end, this is July. Next month will be August. Even I believe before we enter the Ember month, that is before we enter September, Luna Classic must have hit, Luna Classic must have rise, Luna Classic must have hit over 200% increase in price. Well, let's wait and see. And I believe Luna will keep on rising. Once again, thank you for stopping by.